In this video, I want to show you a new side hustle that will allow you to make between $1,000 to $10,000 a month online. This means that you can run this business in any part of the world. Not only that, but I will show you step by step what you need to do in order to start this business. So this side hustle consists of uploading YouTube videos without showing your face. And before starting, I want to show you some examples of videos that are doing just that. I'm sure that you have already watched some of these videos. For example, you can find tutorials, news videos, top 10 videos, and I want to show you some examples of channels that are doing that and how much they are earning. This channel, for example, is comparing different cities in the world. Looking at a website called Social Bleed, it estimates that they are making between $1,500 to $24,000 every single month. This other channel is talking about animals and animal facts. They are making between $1,700 to $27,000. This other channel is talking about celebrities and they are making between $300 to $4,000 every single month. And you can find really a lot of examples of these channels online. You probably in this moment don't know how these channels are making money and how they are doing these videos. And basically what they are doing is putting ads in front of their videos. In fact, once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. When you join this program, you can basically start earning money. In fact, YouTube earns money every time an advertiser wants to put ads on the videos, and YouTube will share a part of this revenue with the creators. By the way, this is not the only way of making money with this kind of business. In fact, you can advertise your own course or courses that you can find on websites like Digistore24, or you can also promote affiliate products or softwares on websites that you can find online like clickbank.com or impact.com. And usually in this way, you can earn even more money than the revenue of YouTube alone. The best thing about this side hustle is that you don't need any upfront investment. In fact, you can start completely for free. What you need to do is to find some ideas, write the script, add some value in form of entertainment or education that you can deliver with a voiceover, take some stock footage that you can find online even for free from websites like Pixabay or Pexels.com, and publish the videos on YouTube. So as I mentioned, you will get paid by the amount of views that your videos will be getting. And the beauty of this business is that you only need to upload once and potentially you can earn money for the next years. In this way, the revenue will compound over time and you can earn more and more money as long as you will keep uploading. Before starting out, I want to mention that in the description of the video, I will put the link to Matt Parr's course that is called Tube Mastery. This is a complete course that will teach you how to start and run your faceless channel. It will also teach how to create your personal channel if you desire, and you will find everything basically from choosing the niche to setting up your channel for success to how to generate videos, how to upload and optimize these videos, how the YouTube algorithm works and how you can go viral, all the ways that you can monetize your channel, and how to scale and outsource your content creation. If you're interested, feel free to check it out. Now I want to show you step by step how to create your own faceless channel. The first step that you need to do is to select a niche. Now I will recommend one of the following niches: health, wealth, relationship, and happiness. These are high CPM niches. That means that YouTube will pay more for 1,000 views. CPM stands for cost per milli, and if you choose one of those niches, you will get paid more for 1,000 of views. Now here are other high CPM niches that you can choose. So let's select a niche together. Now personally, I'm interested in making money online, so I will select this niche. So to make sure that the niche that we have selected is valid, I recommend you to do a YouTube search of your niche. Make sure that there are at least videos with 100,000 views, and make sure that the channels are making at least 500,000 views every single month. Now the step 2 is to create your own channel. To do that, you can just click your profile picture and click on create channel. If you don't know how to name your channel, you can ask ChatGPT. For example, I'm gonna write, and as you can see, it will give you a list of potential names. Now, before choosing one of these names or any name, make sure that the name is not copyrighted. To make sure that it's not copyrighted, you can go on this website, Global Brand Database, and make sure that it is available to use. Step number 3 is to find some ideas for your video. I recommend to search for your niche on YouTube and open up the big channels that you can find. Now, once you open their channel, click on videos and click and filter them by popular and write down the main ideas that you find. Make sure to have a list of 30 video ideas. Okay, so once we have our list of 30 ideas, we can select one and make a video about it. So I will select this one, 10 websites to make money online for free. And the next step is to write a script. To write the script, what I recommend you to do is to pass the title on YouTube and see what videos show up. Then what you can do is to choose the main videos that pop up and write down the main points. So I went ahead and I've created the script for the video. Now you can also Google your idea and study the top articles. You can also ask ChatGPT to help you write the script for you. Make sure to have at least 2000 words in order to have at least 8 minutes of video. So in this way you can put more ads on the video and earn more money. Now, once you have written the script, the next step is to record your own voice. To record your voice, you don't need a microphone. In fact, you can use your phone. Okay, so I've gone ahead and created the voiceover for the video. Now the next step is to edit the video. To edit the video, you can use your phone, or I recommend if you have a laptop to use a video editing software. If you have a MacBook, you can use iMovie. If you have Windows, you can use any software that you can find on this list. In this case, I have Premiere Pro, so I will use Premiere. Okay, so inside Premiere, I will start by editing the voiceover. Now I will add some stock footage that I can find on Pexels and Pixabay. Also make sure to change the frame every 5 seconds in order to maintain the retention.